In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to blur background in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, select your clip, then go to the color tab and take your playhead at the start of your clip. Now we need to go to this tool which is window, and under it choose this pen tool, and now we need to select our subject with this pen tool. So basically we just have to create points around our subject, and then our subject will be created so that it will differentiate our subject from the background, and then we can easily blur our background here. So I'm roughly selecting my subject here just to show you a quick example. But if you select your subject precisely, then the background effect will be more accurate in your case. Now I have selected my subject here. What we want to do is we need to click on this icon under this window mode so that it will invert our selection. And now if you want to increase the softness around your subject, then you can do that from this softness slider. And now we need to track our footage. As you can see, if I play my footage here, the subject is not selected properly, so we need to track it. So for that, take your playhead at the start of your clip, then go to the tracker tab, and under it click on this icon which is track forward, and then it will track your whole footage. And depending on the duration of your footage, it will take that much time. Once your footage is tracked, we need to go to this blur menu, and under it we need to increase this radius slider like this, and you can see the blur of the background is increasing. If I drag it down, then the sharpness will increase, but I want to have blur effect, so for that I'll just leave it on 0.80. Now if I go back to my edit page and preview my footage here, you can see the blur effect has been applied on this portion. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.